Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayun nga, dahil bored ako, naisipan ko gagawa na lang ako ng video tutorial on how to do the beach wave curls na super nice for summer season. So if you guys interested, please stay tuned and let's do it! So to create my beach wave curl, ito yung gagamitin ko. The brand is Elange. I don't know how you pronounce this. So, if you guys know how to pronounce it, please leave a comment on the section below. Nabili ko to sa TJ Maxx for around $24, $27. I'm not sure though. So, ayun na nga, ang dami sinasabi. Let's get started. I will be using this dry shampoo. It's from Tresemme. I really like this product kasi it's very mabango and it creates volume sa buhok ko. Kasi if you notice, my hair is not so thick. Kaya this dry shampoo, it'll create a very nice volume na pag tiningnan mo or hinawakan mo yung hair ko, actually mukha nga siyang makapal. Let's start. So first, I section my hair into two sections. Kasi mas madali siya ng ganito. This one, hindi ko pa siya gagamitin. I can take a hair clip para hindi siya masama dun sa size na gagawin ko. I usually start with yung side. Start mo siya. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And sabi dapat 8 to 10 inches away from here. So, clip na maayos. I'm so sorry. Okay. Yeah, that easy. Super bango ng buhok, tsaka super feel refreshed. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa other side. So, ayan, nalagyan ko na ng, na-sprayan ko na ng dry shampoo yung hair ko. The second step naman is, kailangan ko maglagay ng heat protectant. Kahit anong brand naman is okay as long as it'll protect your hair from the heat. Itong gagamitin ko, ang ano niya, yeah, can you see it? Okay. Ang kanyang brand is Aussie. I don't know, maybe from Australia. Kasi may fingers sa kasi. So, yun yung basis. Anyways, it's a heat protecting spray. And mabangot din to. I have been using this for quite a while. Kapag nagka-curl ako, dapat pababa para hindi ako masusunog, hindi mapapasok. Okay, and then I'll just count 1 to 30 or 1 to 15 bago ko siya i-release. Actually, I don't focus much on curling the deeper layer of the hair kasi hindi man siya masyadong nakikita. Pero iba lang kasi yung feeling kapag curl siya. There you go! Ay, nasobrahan yata. Anyways, oh my god. Bababa pa naman yun later. So, continue lang tayo. Actually, yan yung pinakamahirap punutin. Yung pinaka-deeper layer kasi maiksi siya. Oh, sorry. na-cover ko na halos lahat. Ito na lang. Pero, hahatiin ko pa yan. So, nahati ko pa siya. As you can see, kaya nga, hindi ko mas manipis kasi mas mabilis. By the way, hindi ko siya naturo sa deeper layers, pero ituturo ko siya dito sa pinaka-superficial. Nga pala, as I've said, nahawakan ko siya ng pababa. And yung ikot ko, nakikita nyo is away from the face. Kasi ayoko na yung curl ko ay parang samborga kasi siya pag towards the face. So kung makikita nyo, yung ikot ko sa kanya is away from the face. There you go. Pag ganun siya, hindi pag ganun. So again, away from the face. Ganun lang din ang gagawin ko sa mga natitirang parts. Nasa sa inyo naman niya kung gusto nyo towards the face. Pero feeling ko mas magandang tignan yung away from the face. Okay. There you go. And this is the last what do you call this layer? So, nakita mo siya. Alam ko siya kinakar. Again, malayo sa mukha away from the face. There! Yan! So, eto na siya. There you go! Natapos na natin ang ating first layer. So, actually, mamaya ko na siya tawag dito susuklayin kasi masira na siya. So, tapos na tayo dito sa layer na to, and basically we'll just do the same thing sa other side. So, tara, gawin na natin nang matapos na tayo. Dahil darating ng asawa ko, kailangan ko nang mag-stand. Okay, let's do this. Tapos na ang aking beach wave tutorial. So, nakita nyo nga siya. Maganda yung pagkaka-curl niya. Big waves. Talagang mukha siyang, natural. Pero mas gaganda pa to as the day progresses. Kasi bababa pa yung curl niya. As I said, pwede mo na siyang suklayin para mas maganda yung curl. Para I hope you like my video. If you guys like this video, you can click like and subscribe on my channel, and you can also tell me what do you want to do next. Basta anything na medyo related sa kakikayan, pwede tayo dyan. So just comment on the section below, what do you want to learn next from me. I'll be glad to teach you everything that I know about hairstyles, not makeup. Hindi ako magaling mag-makeup. Fashion, we'll get onto that. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you. Bye-bye.